Hello. Good morning. Good morning. This is West Capital FX, and here what we do, we talk about trading. So today is on Thursday, 30th September 2021, and today I want to show you how I scan the markets for potential trading opportunities. I remember this is not something that you just wake up and you begin doing. There's an approach you must have for you to identify these trading opportunities. So I have my trading strategy. Uh, I've presented it sometimes back. It's there, and so that is what I check for when I'm looking for trading opportunities. So my strategy is divided into three parts, or ideally, I would recommend you have a strategy that is divided into three parts, where the first part you look for price structure. It could be anything that you'll be looking for. You could be looking for potential reversal patterns. You could be looking for continuation patterns. You could be looking for trending things. There are so many things you could look for. So let's assume that you already have a strategy, or to anyone who is new to trading, you must have a strategy. So every morning when you wake up, or at any particular moment when you want to trade, you'll compare what the chart is giving you to your rules. And it's good if you have a well written down rules somewhere that you can refer to. So my strategy in general takes advantage of impulse move and then retracement. Then I look for a potential push down. So this is the general structure of my strategy if I want to sell. And if I want to buy, I'd look for something like this: impulse move, retracement, then another push upwards. So this is the first step for identifying um, a potential trading opportunity. So that is what we'll be looking for. After I've seen something like this, there are other steps that are still involved. There are around two that are still left. So that I'll not discuss here. I'll maybe discuss it some other time or in some other videos. So don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. If you like this content, give us a like, and can share with your friends. As always, there's a link to my Telegram group. We are live on Facebook. You could go there and like our page, Wise Capital FX Trading Academy. And if you have any question, you can as well send me an email. Then I will surely respond. And also, if you have any special topic that you would like us to discuss, or you'd like me to prepare a video about, you could leave it on the comment section so that I will write something about it. So let's begin our analysis. So for this is the first pair here is Euro USD. Already you can see we already have an impulse move downward. So the best thing, I would wait for a retracement up to somewhere there. So ideally for Euro USD, we don't have an opportunity yet. It's still very, very early. So I remember I'm looking forward to go short at this point. So this one is not available at the moment. Uh, uh, GBP card does not look very attractive. Again, there are those setups that are very, very attractive. There are some that are not very attractive. So you simply need to have some rules, and you need to test them so that when you come to the market, you already know exactly what you need to do. So GBP card, I don't see anything interesting. Um, Euro JPY, there's nothing interesting. We don't have this structure. We do not have it here. Instead, price is giving some rather random movements. Here also, we don't have anything. This is Euro card. Euro GBP, nothing interesting. NZD, USD, nothing interesting. In fact, the chart looks like Euro USD, the first one here. So there's nothing interesting there. USD CHF, USD CHF, I did recommend this trade sometimes back. If you missed it, the link should be popping up on the screen anywhere. Please go check it out. It will help you a lot. NZD-JPY, there's nothing here for us to trade. GBP, USD, there's nothing. USD-JPY becomes the first potential trading opportunity. So we have this zone here. There is a possibility price might push all the way down here before going back up. So the first trading opportunity that we might have is USD JPY. You write it down. And then we also have USD CAD. This one I had identified it early on. So it pushed strongly upward, giving us an impulse move. Then we get the retracement. So there is a possibility price might go up. So USD CAD is also a hot cake. However, it's still early. This might be ready in the next 3 to 4 hours. So you just need to be patient and wait for it. Audi USD looking very, very delicious. You can see we have that zone that has been broken, and currently price is pushing back to this area. There is a possibility we might get that move down. So we could be looking at Audi USD2, Audi USD2. Right. Next, we have Audi JPY. There was this level here. It has been broken. This one is a potential hotcake. So I'll just wait for it and see the way it will behave. Possibly I'll get that entry for me to go short. Now, there are so many aspects here. We have to do higher time frame analysis. That is what I'm doing. Then we'll have to drop to smaller time frame analysis and look for our entry. So this is just like 5% of the general trading strategy. Also here we don't have something good. We don't have something good. You could argue this zone, you could argue this area here, but does not look that good. So I'm going to pass it. We also have Euro JPU, Euro Audi. Euro Audi, there is nothing. Euro CHF, we don't have anything interesting. GBP CHF, of course, we have something interesting. So if I extend this zone here, yes, if I extend it to the left, you should be able to see there is a possibility we might get a push down from this area. So this is also another potential trading opportunity. Remember, you write them down, you take notes of these potential trading opportunities that you're identifying. Then we have Audi CHF. Audi CHF is also a darling. There's a trend line that has been holding as support several times. You see this point, this point, this point. Finally, we did get a break, and there is a possibility we might get a push down. So Audi CHF is also something we could pay keen attention to. Audi CHF. Euro JPY also looks good. So that is it. So there is a possibility we might get a push down from there. So we have GBP JPY. So far we have potential 6 trading opportunity. The first one we identified was USD JPY. Then we came to USD CAD, Audi USD, GBP CHF, Audi CHF, GBP JPY. We continue. So GBP Audi, nothing interesting. Nothing interesting. Audi CAD. I remember yesterday we traded this bear. If you missed it, we took our short from this point here all the way down. The link should be popping up on the screen anywhere. Click it, go check it out. There's a lot of content you could. There's a lot of good stuff there. Something that you can learn about. So Audi CAD, yes, it looks like a potential trading opportunity. I'll just watch it for today because we're already having an impulse move down. There is a possibility that this retracement might give us another potential push ahead. So I'll 7, I'll be watching Audi CAD 2. Next, we have Euro NZD. Euro NZD looks good, so we'll simply wait. We already have that push upwards. We get this. We'll be waiting for this retracement to come to this point. Then we see if we can get a push upwards. Also, we have CAD CHF. CAD CHF, there is nothing interesting. CAD JPY, there is nothing interesting. CAD JPY, there is nothing interesting. GBP NZD, GBP NZD, nothing good, nothing good. Of course, you might argue this zone here. You see this trend line, but it disobeys some of my other rules. The only point we could argue, we could say that we have an impulse move upward because this is the potential double bottom. Then now we wait for a retracement move that way, then possibly it will give us another push upwards. So anyway, I could watch also GBP NZD. Then we have Audi NZD. There's nothing to trade here. We have NZD CHF. NZD CHF, yes, could be a darling. So we have this level here. We already have a strong push downwards, and then now we are getting a retracement up there. Possibly this level might hold, and it might give us another push downward. So I'll also be watching for NZD CHF. Next is NZD CAD. NZD CAD also looks like a potential trading opportunity. We'll be waiting for price to come all the way to that area. Then we look for a potential trading opportunity. So we have around 10 trading opportunities. So after that, we create a separate profile for all these pair. You create an entire profile where you name it now as a watch list. So that is what you'll be focusing on throughout the day. So we are going to go ahead and create that. So if I remove all that, that was trading activities for yesterday. So we'll simply open all these charts. The first one is USD JPY. Where are you? Okay, there we go. So USD JPY, then USD CAD, then Audi USD, then GBP CHF, then Audi CHF, then GBP JPY, then Audi CAD, then GBP NZD, NZD CHF, then NZD CAD. And then you save this profile as a watch list. So already you can see down here it's written watch list. So these are my potential trading opportunities that I'll be focusing on today. So I will go ahead and customize the chart to be clean, everything to be ready. So remember, I'm setting my traps. I'm simply waiting for price to come back to me. If they come, we simply look if it's giving us an entry, then we simply execute our order. I really hope this was helpful. So for all those who wonder how do you identify a trading opportunity, the answer is you must be having a plan at the background so that you come and check if the charts are following the plan. For example, you cannot travel to, let's say you're going to the coast. You cannot go to the coast if you don't have a map. So you need to have a map, and then you simply follow the map all the way down there. So if you're driving along the highway and you realize that what you're doing is not following what is in the map, there is a possibility, the map now is the plan, there is a possibility probably you will not reach your destination. And if you come to trading without a plan, there is a possibility you will not make anything, and most likely you will simply blow up, and that will be it. So that should be it for now. Until some other time, goodbye, have a good day, have a good night. Thank you.